Hi, everybody. I'm just going to kind of remind you how to do these card sorts because it's been probably since November, since the last time we did one. But if I set this up correctly, you should be able just to click on the link here, and then it will bring you to the Desmos page. And then remember, it's like this, where all these cards are kind of in your face. So what I recommend doing is I would link all of the triangles like this together. Remember when we did that before? Like all your problems. Okay. And then I would spread out. So this first one says determine if the triangles are similar by angle, angle, similarity, side, 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 similarity, side, angle, side, are not similar. Okay, so those are your four categories. And each category has three cards that belong to them. So, like on this one, it's an easy one for me to do with you. Okay, this one, so they both have an angle of 72 degrees. And then we would know that they have vertical angle. So these two triangles here would be similar by angle, angle. Okay, so there you go. And once you get three cards that fulfill or fill in your little category, you should be able to just close it. But I want the top one. What if we went like this? There we go. That's better. And then it kind of collapses like that. Okay, so that's what you're doing on this first one. You're just categorizing by angle, angle, side, 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 or side, angle, side similarity. And again, just by dragging them. And each one does have three. And then on the next one, you're doing some algebra. So what I would do here, again, put all of your questions together, all of your numbers together. You guys kind of get the picture, right? Okay, I'll just do it because why not? Okay, so then you would set it up. And do, process of elimination, you guys. If one kind of doesn't work out for you, try a different one. Anywho, click on one, solve it. Let's say the answer was, okay, you can't do that one because it's the head one. Okay, let's say your answer on this one is 4. I'd collapse them and then it's smaller and then put it off to the side so you guys know that's a match. There is one that has an X and a Y, I believe, so that one will have 2 of these with them. Okay, please be good and help each other out. I will see you tomorrow. Be united, live the tradition, onward central. Goodbye.